Hello everyone, welcome to this new section of the video. Now in this section of the video we'll talk about WordPress permalink settings. WordPress permalinks are the permanent URLs to individual pages and blog posts, as well as categories and tag archives. Basically, a permalink is a web address used to link to your content that is permanent and never changes, and that's why they're called the permalinks. So the perma, the P-R-M-A, stands for an abbreviation for permanent and links. Okay, the WordPress permalink settings screens allows you to choose the default permalink structure. You can choose from the common settings or to create a custom URL structure. So to access the permalink, you click on the permalinks button right here. Okay, and we'd see we could choose from a structure, or we could create our own default custom structure here. Our own custom structure rather. By default, WordPress uses web URLs which have question marks and lots of numbers in them. You'll probably want to change your permalinks here to another structure to improve the usability and forward compatibility of your links and to make them more search engine friendly. So an example of that, you see, this is what WordPress uses by default, the plain, which has question mark and a lot of numbers in it. So if you want to make this social media friendly, you click on the custom structure and you could impute anything you want. So for this custom structure we have here already, if you want the day which the post is being made to show and the hour and the minute in the link, you just click on this button and it's doing that for you. So for that, we're not doing that. Now if you'd like more information on setting up your permalink, all you have to do is to click on the help, okay, on the help section here, and you click on the overview. You see a lot of them. You could also get more options from the permalink settings and from the custom structures, just in case you need help in building your own custom link structure. But from the good look of things, I'd actually recommend a permalink having just the post name, okay, where we'd have the WordPress site name / the post name for our post. And if you want for category, we will have by default would have this as our category link structure. If you want it to actually be category / maybe the category name, you could actually do this. Now this category base here indicates the topics here, which WordPress sets as default. You can change this to something, and for tags to the same. So if you don't know what category is, you don't know what tags is right now, don't worry. When we get to the future session of this video, of this course, I would show us what categories and tags are. But for now, you could set this to post name and leave just so. Okay, so and with this we are through with the WordPress settings. Okay, I think it is high time we go to other settings such as the WordPress tools. Okay, so I'll see you on the next session of this video where we'll be talking about WordPress tools. Bye bye.